Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the Ric Flair of crypto in-house. Woo! And bringing you some crypto love over the interwebs, guys. And I got the alien in the house too, guys. So hopefully you guys are watching this. And remember, before we jump into the content and tell you exactly what's going on, remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing his opinion. This video is for educational purposes only, guys and gals. And remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and so you need to do your own risk management, guys. That's so important that you guys do that. You guys understand that, and you guys just have to get it done, guys. And remember, this is not financial advice. So what the HE hockey sticks are going on, guys? You can see that the total market is down over 10%, guys. We're seeing that we got this huge dumpity dump, and I told you, I warned you, I told you this was coming. And I remember, and I'm kind of laughing to myself when I was had that video about 30 hours ago, and I said this is absolutely coming, you guys need to prepare. And everyone was like saying, oh, the OG doesn't know what he's talking about. We had tons of absolutely salty comments in the comments, guys, and I wasn't happy about it. And I'm here to just say, well, now what do you got to say? Because the OG nailed it. I called it exactly right. And not only that, guys, I did send a message to our VIP and super members yesterday that they should get into a couple of projects. So yesterday I sold a whole bunch of Ethereum when it was like it's $4,790, guys, and I sold a whole bunch of it, moved it to the sidelines, and I'm starting to pick up again. I'm buying on the dips, guys, and this is a great opportunity to be buying the dips, guys. And so why the HE double hockey sticks is this going on? Well, let me tell you, we got three catalysts, guys. 3 to 4 catalysts that's going on. One, we got the infrastructure bill. That's uno one is the infrastructure bill. Also, two, we got this whole XRP thing coming out, right? And XRP thing and the SEC, that looks like XRP, they're not going to win the case, guys. They're out of there, and they're going to get charged with selling commodities, selling stocks and this and that without a license, the whole thing. And there's also some grumblings that they might even be charged with fraud too. So we got this happening. Also, we got some China FUD again, and that China's cracking down even more on mining again. So it's like their last hurrah. So guys and gals, wake up and smell the coffee. Also, we got this spot ETF that's been rejected as well. So we have all of these huge catalysts, and isn't it just amazing that this is all happening like at the same time? Like, guys, wake up. You think this is all being orchestrated and this is all happening at the same time? The infrastructure bill, the XRP thing, the China new crackdown again, and all these things happening, and also the ETF spot being denied by the SEC. Guys, come on, wake up. You think this is just like coincidence? This is some kind of coincidental bias that this all happens? No, guys, wake up. Stop being foolish out there in YouTube land and all the newbies. This is a shakeout. This is the final shakeup. And it's by the whales, and the millionaires are shaking. They're shaking because they want to dump the price of Bitcoin. They want to make everybody panic. And I can see that in my private VIP WhatsApp group. People are going nuts, guys. People are literally going insane. Is this the end of the bull run? Is this over? OMG, what's going on? Guys, stop it. Just wake up. Stop panicking. Hold your horses. This is the shakeout, guys. This is the magical shakeout by the whales and the institutions to get you to finally release the Bitcoin. As I told you, only 12.9% of the total Bitcoin is on exchanges now. Let that sink in. The total amount of Bitcoin in circulation, only 12.9% is on exchanges, okay? The rest of it is being held by retail investors, Joe Public, Joe Nancy, the OG, and institutions. So this is their last hurrah to get you, Joe Public and Joe Nancy, particularly the newbies, to dump your Bitcoin and other altcoins. So a lot of you have wet the bed, weak Nancy's have run for the hills, and I know a lot of you, and don't deny it, have panic sold. You guys like panic sold, right? Come on. You panic sold. Big mistake, guys. Big mistake. So all of this whole catalyst, and we're only talking about around 10%, 10 to 11%. And I told you 24 hours ago, guys and girls, that this was going to happen. It is happening. And you know, I told you, and no one listened, and you didn't prepare. I prepared. I sold some of my Ethereum yesterday, moved to the stable coin, and I'm buying a dippity dip. I'm bargain hunting. I'm looking for deals, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. So hopefully my members and my super channel members, you took some of the advice that I gave you in the other videos, and you took precautions, guys and gals. So if you're holding Bitcoin, you're holding Ethereum, you're holding BNB, you're holding ADA, you're holding Solana, you're holding Shiba Inu, and you're holding Doge, guys, don't panic, okay? We haven't hit the top yet. We have not hit the top, and nobody is saying that we're hit the top. It's not happening. It's not happening, guys. So let's jump into the content. Let's dive right in. And remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And guys, get the merch, get the mug. I'm gonna take some coffee. Because, you know, I've been watching the comments today, and it's just been, listen, I'm sorry. You guys can hate me. You guys can unsubscribe, but it's been hilarious to see the level of absolute craziness. The panic, El Panico is just being going boom. So guys, you know, today I think I looked at my portfolio twice. Okay, so I'm not gloating, but I did warn you guys. So I did warn you. You didn't listen. That's not my problem. That's your problem in the house, guys. So I love the community. I love you guys. And I know that a lot of my members listen. And I know that, you know, yeah, some are panicking, some don't. So if you're watching this, here's the advice. Simply stop panicking. The bull run is not over. Don't panic sell. Do absolutely nothing. And what I'm doing is I'm dollar cost averaging, and I'm buying the dippy dips, guys. It's a great time. We're only down 10%, guys. So if you buy the dip now and things go back to where they are, like 24 hours ago, you're going to be up 10%. So it's good news in the house. So I did also talk about it, crypto crashing. What's next, guys? What's next is, you know, this shakeout's going to continue a little bit more. I think it's going to go down, and I think the total market cap's going to go down another 3%. So I think we could go as low as 13, 14% ish before we see things start to pop, guys. So let's jump into the Shiba Inu price in the house, guys. I'm gonna take off my glasses now. I'm getting serious. The glasses coming off, that means the OG serious, guys. Smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, and show some love. Show some love for the alien, show some love for the OG. And I'm feeling better today. It's I don't know, this red day is making me feel better. You know, yesterday I was feeling like 75%. Today I'm feeling a little bit better. I don't know, maybe all this negative news is, you know, making me feel better. I don't know, maybe I'm like the crypt keeper. Okay, guys, so all the silliness aside, so right now we're seeing that exactly as I told you guys, exactly as I predicted. I said that if Shiba Inu drops below this line here, that we could be going as low as 43. And we're doing it. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So don't panic, guys. If Shiba Inu goes down, let it go down, guys. Let it go down. Even if it goes to here, let it go down. Shiba Inu is got good fundamentals. It's a good project. It's not also hype. And you see here, look, guys. This is a RSI. You can see right here we were oversold, guys. We were oversold. Shiba Inu is oversold, so we're absolutely due for a correction. So this is a correction. Now we can see that we're not oversold anymore. Things are looking pretty good on the RSI, guys. So you know, we're gonna have a huge pump soon, guys, when Bitcoin starts to make its move, and it will make its move. It will make its move, guys, and I'm telling you, don't panic. Do not panic, okay? Diamond hands, guys. I know a lot of you are like panicking in the house. So right now, Shiba Inu is down like almost 7% right now, okay? So don't panic. Let's take a look at the Doge, and I'm getting the names correct. Yesterday, I was kind of like losing it a little bit, and I was kind of getting getting confused. OG was getting confused. So we can see here right now that you know, that Doge right now is at trading at 23.85, and I told you exactly that Doge was going to drop down to those levels. I told you this morning. Go back if you don't believe the OG. I absolutely called it. I said that we are going to be dropping to 23, and I said that we have huge support around about here, and that's at the 22 cent level. So we we're dropping, guys. We went all the way down here. We bounced back up, guys, and we're now trading at 23.89. So things are picking back up, guys, for the Doge. Don't discount the Doge. And you know, Doge is coming back, guys, and Doge is only down right now. Is only down about 3%, guys, on the 4 hour. So it's not that bad. We're not going that bad, guys. So you know, let's jump into some of the quickie news. So Bitcoin price crashes and sees hundreds of billions wiped out from the crypto market. So why is this happening? Well, nobody can really, there's not one singular event that's caused this to happen. It's a culmination of events or cascading events, right? So we're seeing the price of Bitcoin's plunge below 60,000. It was 59,000. We're going to jump into the technicals of that. We saw that Solana, Ethereum, and everything else has dropped anywhere between 5 to 10%. I still think it's not over yet. I still think that we still got some more droppage. I don't know if that's a word. Is droppage a word? I don't know. It's a word. So we still got some more droppage in the house, guys. And this is really, you know, some of the catalysts is, you know, one, we've got the renewed crackdown by BTC miners in China, rejection of the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission of the spot Bitcoin ETF, right? I talked about that. We've got the infrastructure bill that was signed off. We also have the whole XRP thing. You know, they're not going to win. They're absolutely not going to win. It's a done deal for XRP. And there's also, you know, they've been talking about some fraud charges being laid as well. So this is some of the cash. So Bitcoin plunges to 10-day low at 60K. At 60K, all top 50 coins are in the red, guys. So everything's going down. And remember, but keep in mind, 10 days ago we were here. Okay, 10 days ago. We're not talking a month ago. We're not talking 6 months ago. We're talking 10 days ago. We are right here, right now, where we are now. So don't panic. It's not a big deal in the house. I don't think it's a big deal. It's not over until it's over, guys. So, you know, people saying that, you know, sure, if it drops to 24K, 30K, then I'm starting to get a little bit concerned, guys. But I do not believe it. I think this is a shakeout. This is a last-minute market manipulated shakeout by the billionaires and the whales to take out as many retail investors as possible so they can gobble all the Bitcoins and take them from you. So that's what's going on, guys. So some other news that's coming up, and also too, we've got the Bank of England as well. They're also chiming in. So we got the SEC, the spot ETF rejected. We got the XRP thing, right? We got the infrastructure bill, and now we have the UK, the Bank of England's whatever his name is, I don't want to say it, sees that crypto threat to financial stability is getting closer and urges regulators to act now. Okay, come on. So everybody's jumping on the bandwagon. Everyone's saying that, oh, crypto's not good and it's going to end the world, yada yada yada. So, you know, this is the orchestrated. This is the final countdown before we start having this big explosion to the top side, guys. We're still not there. We still haven't even hit the 2.68 Fibonacci level. We've just passed a 1.68 level, guys. So, you know, and if we go back to 2013, 2017, you know, once we go past the 1.68 level, the Fibonacci level on Bitcoin, this is going to signal a huge explosion to the top side. Once we hit the 2.68, that usually signals the top. We're not even there now. We're just passing the 1.68 on the Fibonacci level. So guys, do not panic. This is a fake out. This is a shakeout. This is to make you guys panic, sell, go nuts, lose your mind, run for the hills, run for the hills, and you know, wetting the bed and just blowing your load too early, and you guys are going to be hiding under the covers. Stop panicking in the house. This is time to man up, to girl up, to be tough, and just weather the storm, guys. Weather the storm, all right? So the worst case scenario is you got to wait another 4 years, okay? That's worst case scenario. But this is absolutely not the end of the bull run. No way, no way. Take that to the bank, guys. And if you don't believe me, wait a couple days and you'll see it happening, guys. You know, also, Twitter creates a team specializing in crypto and decentralized apps. So it looks like Twitter's also ramping itself up to jump into crypto. You know, they also have the Bitcoin tipping. But remember, that Bitcoin tipping is only for the U.S. The whole world doesn't. It's not allowed to participate. So, you know, there's still some positive news, but everybody's focusing on the negative, right? So will Bitcoin hold 60K level? No. leverage shakeout, close to complete data set. So you know, a lot of the major on-chain analysts is that this shakeout. And let's just jump into the Bitcoin price really quick. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is just above 60,000. So this whole shakeout, guys, is almost coming to an end. It's almost coming to an end. We went as low as around 59,000 and some change. We're coming back up now. We're coming back up. And if you don't believe me, we can see right here, we're coming back up. You can see we're coming back up a little bit right now. And we got a low today on Bitcoin is 58,625. Exactly as I said. Excuse me, I got fire pull. Time to get some. Smash the like, subscribe, subscribe. And even the alien likes the coffee in the muggy mug. Get the muggy mug. Check out the merch. So yeah, guys, don't panic. Look, I got my lucky. This is my lucky crypto bracelet going on. So lucky bracelet on. So guys, don't panic. If the OG got the lucky bracelet on, this means that Bitcoin's gonna go to the moon. And you know, all the plant people who were hating on the OG when I predicted there's gonna be a crash coming, guess what? The crash came. Okay, it came. Bitcoin to the moon and Dogecoin to the moon and everybody going to the moon, guys. We're all going to the moon, guys. So hook up your spacesuits. So you can see that this whole shakeout, it's happening, guys, right in front of your eyes. Other stuff is Ripple guilty of fraud, but not securities law violations. So, you know, this is bad, right? And we already talked about it. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index, and then we'll get moving on. So I'm going to give this a minty refresh. It's still 71, but wait till it gets adjusted tomorrow. It's probably going to drop down to 68, 65, 68. That's what's going to happen. So there's going to be a lot of people have been selling. So let's jump into the market cap and all that kind of stuff right now. So you can still see that the Bitcoin dominance is going up because people have panic sold out of their altcoins and start to move stuff into Bitcoin, guys. So there's more money flowing back into Bitcoin. Gee whiz, why would that happen? Why are people putting more money in Bitcoin right now? Yeah, because Bitcoin's going to pop and Bitcoin's going to explode right now, guys. And the altcoin season is not even here yet. The altcoin season is not going to blast off until we see the end of December, guys. So don't panic. And the volumes, look, the volumes are 128.57, so it's huge, but most of that is selling, okay? Most of it's selling, guys. So don't panic. And our market cap is 2.71 trillion in the house, okay? Yeah, the OG's not panicking. Look at Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour chart. It's at 60,459. And it's picking up, guys. It's picking up. It's down about 7.66%, and it was down even more earlier. It was down like 8-9%. So things are picking up right now. Things are picking up. So stop panicking. Stop panicking. Guys, stop panicking. Okay, so guys, just chilly willy, chilly, relax. And whoa, look at this beautiful red candle. That's a nasty candle. So this is also BTC in the house, guys. Again, and you can see this is also BTC on the 4-hour. Look at it. It's just incredibly nasty out there. So you know, it's just not looking good, guys. Do not panic in the house, guys. Do not panic. We're still above the 21-day EMA, so do not panic in the house, guys. Everything is looking good. Look at Ethereum. Wow, that's a nasty candle. I know a lot of you guys are all panicked. But you know, you can see, I did tell you that we have good support. We have good support right here. So Ethereum did flash crash all the way down to a low of 4,102, but we got some heavy support around 4,200 and we bounced back, guys. So I told you we're going to do that. Absolutely, I told you we're going to do it. I also said that we have some really good support at 60,000, and we bounced back above the support. We flash crashed all the way down here, but we got supported and we got some really huge support on Bitcoin right there. So don't panic. I'm not panicking. This is just a shakeout, guys. It's a shakeout. It's a little bit of, you know, FUD web manipulation, all these things coming. We all knew the infrastructure bill was coming. I knew it, you knew it, so the market was prepared. And then what they did is they pile on some extras on there. They put a little salt and pepper on top of the infrastructure bill signing. We threw in the XRP thing. We threw in the China mining thing. We threw in the spot ETF. And they just kind of wrapped it up in a bow tie, served it to Joe Public, and scared you guys out of your coins. That's all it is, guys. That's all it is. It's just it's manipulation in the house. So right now we can see that right now ADA is dropping. It's well below the $2 area. It's at $1.90, but it's going to giddy up, guys. So it's right on my support. I told you again, it's right at the $1.90 support. I'm not making this stuff up. These are the same charts from this morning, and we're exactly where that. And it's it's definitely going to be popping, guys. Definitely going to be popping. I think we're going to be getting ourselves back up to the $2 level very soon, which is around about here. So we should be back up to $2. So this is, you can see that ADA had support here. So this is a major support level. So don't worry about ADA. I don't think it's going to be going lower than where it is right now. It's not going to. And also, if we can look at Solana in the house, again, we have major support at $2.21. I told you this morning that we flash crashed all the way today. We saw a low coming in on Solana of 214. We bounced back almost like $11. So we're bouncing back, guys. Do not panic in the house. This is a flash crash. This is a huge shakeout. This is to make you wet the bed, run for the hills, and panic sell your crypto, guys. So stop it. What you should be doing is focusing on, if you have any stable coins on the sidelines, what you should be doing is focusing on buying the dippy dips. So let's talk about what can you buy on the dip, guys. Check out the merch, guys. Check out the mug. Check out the mug. Check out the mug. Oh, that's good. So, okay, let's jump into it. So the whole exercise here is we going to look at the dippy dips and what we can make. Okay, first of all, well, Bitcoin, $60,000, 60,700. We haven't seen this for like 7 to 8 days ago. So you can see that 7 days ago, we're still down from where we were 7 days ago, and we're also down from where we are 30 days ago. So in my perspective, this is not financial advice, you may want to consider picking up some more Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum. It's still up. It's still up for 30 days, so that's not too shabby in the house. But we're still down. We're still down 10%, and we're down 9% today. This is also a good pickup. If I'm going to go bargain hunting, this is a good pickup. BNB is also a good pickup. I forecast that BNB is going to hit 1,000 minimum price. I think this is not financial advice, that we could see at least a $7,000 to $8,000 Ethereum coming in at the end of the year. Solana, $800. Yeah, it's a good pickup. You can dollar cost average. ADA, I'm not touching that one. I'm not going to speculate. I'm a little bit shaky on ADA. XRP, I wouldn't touch it. Even you gave it to me, I wouldn't take it. Look at DOT. DOT is ready and primed and ready to pick. This is a very good DCA opportunity right here. Very, very good DCA opportunity right here. And DOT is trading at 41. Shiba Inu, we're looking at Doge, right? Look, everything, Bitcoin is down, and Shiba Inu, despite the whole market going down, Doge is still holding its own. Also, Shiba Inu is holding its own. It's only down about 5%, right? So if you look at the total market cap, Doge is still above Shiba Inu. So these two, you can dollar cost average into these two. I would say so, because they're holding their own. They're quite resilient compared to where the rest of the market is. Just take a look at how far they're down. Avalanche in the house. Good time. I would DCA into Avalanche. Luna. I would say no right now on Luna, because they got this whole court case with the SEC thing, right? Terra Labs, right? Okay, so I would not be touching Terra Luna right now until this thing gets settled with the SEC. Link, yeah, it's a good pickup. Uni, yeah, good pickup. Matic, absolutely, I love Matic. Algorand, absolutely. CRO, yeah, pick some up. Yes, remember yesterday it was cooking, it was doing really good, and VET definitely a pickup. So you can see there's a lot of opportunities out there. There's a lot of opportunities, so don't panic. And let's take a look. Don't forget, guys. Don't forget, this is not the time to panic. This is the time to dollar cost average, go bargain hunting, go shopping. And remember, Bitcoin was here only like a week ago, guys. Okay, so we've seen these prices like a week ago, so do not panic. And guys, go to my Twitter, follow, go down there, subscribe, smash the likes. And guys, if you're watching in the live stream, you want to give a super chat, I appreciate it. Support the channel, do it right now. And guys, don't forget to check out my Linky Winky Winkies. Buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member, and don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the mug, get the mug. Look, this is the mug right in front of you in real life, guys. Even the alien is saying, get the mug, and coffee does taste better. It's full of joy, full of hope, full of love. Get the love mug, get the love mug, get the mug, love mug. And also we got a new product in the house. We got the Beardy Bear, and this is really good for Christmas, guys. So stock up, and because these things will be sold out, get the Beardy Bear. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to the Wifey channel, Happy Wife, Happy Life, and you're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. And guys, stop panicking in the house. Stop panicking. Everything's looking good. So God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. I just want to say God bless you. Thank you. And guys, stop panicking. This is the OG, the Ric Flair. Woo! In the house, guys. I'll see you in the next one. All right, let's get it. Yeah.